I'm Kushu, welcome back to my channel. So this is a series I'm starting which is called Explore with Kushu, where I take you guys along as I explore amazing markets in Hyderabad. So today we are exploring Miyapur Furniture Market, which is in between Miyapur Signal and Miyapur Metro Station. So to reach this place you can take a metro and get down at Miyapur Metro Station, Gate C, and walk towards Miyapur Signal. You can also rent a bike or rent a bicycle to get over here. The amazing furniture market starts from Metro Pillar number 608 and goes on for almost 800 meters. There are all kinds of furniture available for a very cheap price. Almost all the furniture you see here are made locally by the people who are selling them. They also claim all the wood products are basically of teak wood and second quality teak. And what surprised me is they also supply these furniture to some of the showrooms in Hyderabad. And they have sofas starting from rupees 10,000, which is a 3+1 seater. They have L-shaped sofas, false leather ones, and they also sell individual sofas for very less price. Also, the good part is you can bargain with them, and when you bargain, they come from rupees 22,000 to rupees 15,000. I am no kidding. Also, they have beanbags, tea tables, chairs, mattresses, dressing tables, almirahs, shoe racks, dining tables, beds, office desk, and many more. I will mention all the prices on the screen, also in the description box below, so if you want you can check that out. If you come to shop here, you should definitely check the tents because they have limited products displayed outside and a lot of other items are in the tents. Also, they have a catalog from which you can see and select the products. They also take orders if you like any of the products from catalog, and if the product is not available at the moment, they can actually get it done customized. I personally liked a lot of things here. The quality actually varies from product to product, but they are so good for the price. You can actually find hidden gems here. Just a little bit of digging is needed, but you'll find super good stuff, very cheap prices. Also, you don't have to worry about how to take the products home. They also have auto trolley available every minute and they are quite reasonable. And few of the prices go from mattresses starting 6,000, and they actually make the mattresses themselves, so the quality may vary here and there, but then they are locally made. They're not kind of branded, but yeah. They have tea tables starting from 3,500. They have bean bags starting from 600. They have shoe racks starting from 2,000. They have double door almirahs starting from 3,000 to 7,000. They have dressing tables starting from 2,500. And they have plastic chairs. They even have pillows and a lot of furniture. If you want furniture which is very cheap and the quality is also good for the price, then you should definitely check this place. So that is it for the video, you guys. I hope this video helps you somehow. If you did, like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And let me know how you like this series, and I'll come back with more interesting videos under this series. And comment below if you want me to explore any kind of a hidden gem in our very own city, Hyderabad. See you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.